Everyone, we'll learn how to make the LED strips, like most of the RGB ones, how to make them react to the music. Okay, so it's pretty simple. All you need is an RGB LED and a music system and a bit of those soldering skill, or maybe not if you have the wiring done already. Have a look of how will it look once we're done with it. Okay. Okay, so now you're at the workstation kind of thing, and all I told you already about it. I just needed an LED strip, jumper wires, and no, not an Arduino. Don't get scared. I'm not doing Arduino stuff right now. So I'll just see these 4 ports here. I need to solder them to this wire. Okay, I took a small piece of the entire LED strip to make it easier to handle. You can mold the entire thing.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting strong.
You can see that I have soldered these wires into this one. So okay, this is not the main part. The main part comes when we have to attach it to the home theater system. Let's get to that part now. We're back once again. So this is the back side of my Sony home theater. Now if you see here, it's the front speaker thingy, right? This part. I'll connect the LEDs to this part and to the center speaker part. It's not necessary that you connect it to any particular place, but you need to connect it to a speaker output which is active. Okay, so this is the wire output that I made. Take this, the positive one, put it in one of these, just like pull it up, and boom, it goes in. That's it. Next one is these 3 wires. Okay, so I just want to put 2 of them because I just need the purple color. So I'll just take red and blue.
And don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.